Kitty.
Yes.
What's up?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
My first Element meetup. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I mean, I'm super excited to show off your build.
Thank
and
you.
You did it all yourself.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Super exciting.
I nerded out a lot.
Well,
Brian helped me too.
Hi, Brian. You want to pop in real quick?
Yeah, say hi. He helped me carry plywoods.
What's up, guys?
Thanks for your help, Brian. And yeah, I'm super excited to get a tour of your build. So I'm going to get behind the camera and we're going to get ready to rock.
Let's go. This is like my dream.
Is it?
I've nerded out on elements for like over a year and a half now. Like
All
I've
right.
watched your videos, Miguel's videos, and I'm just like, I need one.
So how did you settle on an element?
Well, I was camping in my Mazda 3 for a while since like 2020, and I didn't really like camping in tents, so I was starting to sleep in my Mazda 3, but then I couldn't sit up in the back. So I was like, what is a small camper car that I could sit up in the back and like maybe change clothes? And then the Honda Element just somehow found me from the universe on YouTube or something, and then I nerded out a lot. I went on Facebook Marketplace like every day trying to find like a blue one with certain miles and stuff like that, so I settled on this one, and her name's Elemente.
Elemente.
Yeah.
What year is it?
This is a 2004 EX Fiji Blue.
Ooh, it's nice. And is it all-wheel drive? Is it front-wheel drive?
It is front-wheel drive, no moonroof, but she's still cute.
Awesome.
Still loved.
Can we take a look at the exterior first, and then we'll move into the interior after?
Let me get my shoes on.
All right. So what's on the exterior? What have you done?
Washed everything. First of all, I had to clay bar it. I learned how to clay bar and polish and wax, and then I redid the plastics with some back to black or something like that, Meguiar's. Then we got some new tires, because when I first originally had it, there were two different sets of tires in the back and two different sets in the front. So that was like the first mod we did, and these are Falcon, what is it?
Wild Peaks.
Wild Peaks.
Yeah, I could see from here. Those are super nice tires.
All terrain. I love them. We add little tire shine just for the Element meetup so she could look cute.
It looks great.
But yes,
And then
recommend.
What about the roof box? What do you have up there?
The roof box, we have a Thule. Oh my God, what is this one? XTL? I forgot. I actually had this on my Mazda 3 for like a couple years.
Okay.
So then once we got this, I knew I wanted to get, you know, a roof rack. We had to find that on Facebook Marketplace, and then we just put this on top. So now she's really tall at like 7.5 feet, so we can't really park it on a lot of garages, but it's worth it because you could store so much stuff up there. We got camping chairs, tables, what is a bug net? But yeah, it's never ending.
How many miles on it?
It had 183,000 miles, and now she's almost at like 190 now. Because I went up to Utah for a road trip. We take it up to San Francisco a lot because we're in San Francisco half the time. But yeah, she's made it every time.
What did you pay for it?
I paid $5 grand.
Solid.
But then there was a lot of work that needed to be done, like $4 extra grand on top of that. So I guess she's like a $9 grand car now, but yeah.
I mean, it looks extremely clean. So kudos to you. You did a great work.
And I bought it all by myself. He was in Hawaii on a bachelor party. And I was calling him, I was like, what do I need to check? What is the checklist? And I had a whole checklist to like, you know, go through and like make sure the car was like okay and good. And he's like, yeah, that's clean, get it. And I was like, cool. And now she's here.
So I see you're wearing a Heroes Hot Rods t-shirt.
Yes.
So I'm assuming you have some Heroes Hot Rods mods?
Of course.
What do you got?
I got the passenger seat
Ooh.
swivel.
Can we see it?
Yes.
All right.
And we did it all by ourselves. I'm so proud because I wanted to save $250 on the install. So we just learned on YouTube. I'm so proud because we've been camping in this, and every time we'd open the doors, we'd have to like climb through, and it was so difficult. But now with the swivel seat, it's life-changing. Everyone says that on YouTube because it's definitely true, and one of my favorite mods for sure. But yes, look at this. What? It feels like it adds like 2 feet to the length. I don't know how, but it does. It's amazing.
It is absolutely amazing. And kudos to you, because I didn't even install it myself, so I was a little intimidated.
It's scary.
I know, I know.
Ooh, judgy.
I still have the opportunity to
You have
do
the
it.
other one though.
I have the other elements. I'm gonna do it myself. I'll try it.
Yeah, you should. It's definitely a journey, and you learn a lot about grinding metal and how difficult it is. I recommend doing higher RPM angle grinder, so that's my tip.
Pro tip.
Yeah, it took
All
me
right.
like 2 days to grind them out.
So let's, do you have any other interior mods that are not in the back that you want to share?
Peak design, phone mount. I guess this thing's everything. I love Peak design stuff. This is what it looks like, and it's just magnet.
That
And
is sweet.
Where's the tripod, Boo? Did you bring it? Oh, it also comes with a little tripod.
Uh-oh.
For the YouTubers out there, but it just sticks here, and it's like a CD case.
Peak design.
CD?
I like it.
CD?
It's super clean in here. Good job.
Oh my god, I detailed every inch. So I YouTube, shout out to Chris Fix if you watch his videos, but he's taught me how to like detail and get the detail brushes and what products to get. I sat here literally brushing every inch out of the car. And it was so dirty, but now it's clean because I'm very OCD and a germaphobe, so I had to get it like really done. Proud
So
though.
what do you guys use this for? Like,
Camping.
just camping?
Yeah, I got
That's
it
awesome.
originally for camping. I'm also a filmmaker, so it's kind of nice to like fit a lot of film gear, even though I haven't done it yet. But I went to a YouTuber meetup for Sony, and one of my friends was actually looking at Ford Transits for like film gear and stuff, and I was like, yeah, I just got a Honda Element, so cool. And it turned out like the next month he bought an orange Element.
Ooh.
And he's like, I love it, like I can fit so much stuff. He modded it up already too, so
Do you
feel
make like camping videos? What kind of videos do you make?
Don't.
What do you-
should. I started like a little bit because I was inspired by camping video stuff, but haven't posted them yet. I mostly make like camera gear tutorial videos, tech reviews.
Cool.
And then I started my second channel to do like other things. So maybe camping videos soon. Stay tuned because editing takes a long time.
What is the tech review channel?
Atola Visuals.
Okay, and then the new channel, the
New channel's Life by Kitty.
Life by Kitty.
Yeah, I want to
Awesome.
do more story time and stuff on that one. So
Well, that's exciting.
yeah.
We'll leave the links down below.
Links down below. Please follow,
Hell yeah.
subscribe, like, comment, especially on this video. Mirrors, the little mirror pucks. These little things, so you can see your blind spots, because I don't have cameras yet. That's on the list of things that I want. I have a whole checklist of things that I want, so that's definitely on there.
All right.
Yeah, should we get to the...
I think it's time. I think everyone's been
time.
patient enough.
You're
let's-
making them wait so long.
I am.
People are gonna like fast forward. Okay, we're inside now.
Yeah, so we're in the build out.
Yes, this is the first thing I built. I actually learned woodworking recently, so don't judge too hard. This is our kitchen drawer. Needed. These I just added actually to have like an extra surface or table to like cook stuff on. And yeah, she goes deep. I didn't want it too high because I've seen a lot of builds that are really high and then they gotta climb up here. I really wanted it like low profile, so that's why she's kind of short.
Well, what are you storing here? This is all kitchen stuff?
Kitchen stuff, dishwashing bin, seasonings. Our dishes are back there. She goes out like super far. Let me see if I can show. I stained it 2 times with Early American. In case anyone's wondering, I got the plywood sheets for 40 bucks, 4x8s on Facebook Marketplace. Really proud.
Wow, look at that. Is it on
Yeah.
slides or is it just pull out?
It just pulls out. There's no drawer pulls because I wanted like extra room.
Yeah.
So it's just like hardwood underneath and it just slides on that. But yeah, there's the full shebang bang. I gotta show off the snow peaks because
Yeah.
flex, snow peaks.
It's good stuff. So I hear.
have to.
I don't have any, but
Luxury. Flex.
I-
Gotta flex on the snow peaks.
I love this.
Yeah,
That
and
is
then this
awesome.
this was my most recent addition.
Wow.
But yeah, there's that. Kitchen drawer. So yeah, you could like cook here, and then we usually have the stove here, and then chop, chop, chop. This is the rinse kit. It's battery powered.
Ooh.
Oh, it's on the mist. I'm all wet now. There you go. There you go. You don't have to pump anything. We used to have a water port that pumped, but it broke. So then we upgraded. I use it to shower, wash dishes,
That's awesome.
wash my hands. That's cool.
I need one of
Very
those.
expensive. Wish it had a water heater, but can't have everything, I guess.
And do you have like cushions that you put over the build so that you can sleep in? Or do you have How do you sleep in it?
Oh, I have like these Oost blow-up mat.
Oh, okay.
So I usually bring that when we go camping. I was thinking of adding cushions just for like office work, because sometimes I just sit in here and work in my driveway, and then I don't have anything really to sit on. So maybe in the future, in addition, I'll make it myself, of course, because I like to complicate my life. But yes, that's the kitchen drawer. I also built this. This is so you can access the stove from inside if it's raining or cold.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's sick.
It's a perfect
Look
fit.
at you. Come on. This is dope. That's so
Perfect
dope.
fit for the stove. I didn't know what the hell these things are called. Apparently it's like an inlet or something.
Okay.
Because I didn't know how to build it. And I was like, I wanted to do this thing where it's got like a lip. It's called like an inlet. Woodworking terms, I guess. So I had to buy a router and then routed it. And then fitting this to this hole was so hard. I had to learn how to jigsaw. So it was a big learning curve, but it works. It fit. And I had to sand it down. You should have been there. I was struggling. And then I made another little hole. So this is the back. If I need to get stuff back
That's
there.
awesome.
Just tiny. And then I glued some like carpet from Home Depot to make it like cozy. So this
All
is
right.
what I normally sleep on. So I have my mattress roll out to this.
Okay.
And then this turns into a platform too. It's dual purpose. So you can see, I got shit over here. So yeah, you can fit 2 mattresses here if you want to lay it down flat. Or if I have my hammock, I usually have a hammock too for like napping. I'll put it down this way.
That's awesome.
And then this also turns into a table, which I'm very proud of. I was scouring the internet for ideas on this because I didn't want to get a lagoon table for whatever reason. I just think they're, I don't know, basic. So I wanted to complicate my life again. But I made this little table.
That is rad.
Yeah.
That is so crazy. Hold on,
Yeah.
let me see. Let me see. Dude,
Sturdy.
that is sturdy.
And you can flip it around. You can put on this side. I have little,
What?
like little inlets here and there.
That's amazing.
And then you can flip this around if you want it taller, but I usually, this is like my standard. And then I have room to come in and out, which is nice. So the leg's not in the way.
Oh man, that is so smart.
Yeah.
Look at you go.
Look at me go. And then these are just lids. Simple lids. I won this today, the white elephant. It's a little hammer.
Wow, this is awesome.
But you can sit here too. I made sure that your butt can fit.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
if you want to get real cozy with people, this is what it's like.
Yeah, you could have like a little dinner back here or something.
Yeah, and then these are from Daiso, like $1.50.
Shout out.
They matched really well. I tied them to these little hooks. You know the hooks that are back here? Genius. So then it just holds it down like that. I shoved the fairy lights in here. These were a perfect fit. I actually had these already, so it worked out real nice. I use that for my coat hangers. It's usually where I hang all my jackets because I get cold really easily. So I always have like 5 jackets. Even today when it's 77 degrees, I have 2 jackets.
You're ready for anything.
Yeah, and I'm trying to work on a curtain situation. As you can see, there's 2 versions here. Neither of them I'm happy with. So we'll keep working on that. And what else? Am I missing anything?
No, I mean, I think everything's like really dialed. This is just like a little toiletry area.
Toiletry. Oh, I have a sink too. I didn't bring that.
You really set this up and dialed it in like in an awesome way.
Yeah, I gotta catch you when I'm camping and then you can see the full set. But yeah. Oh, and then I covered the holes with cardboard. You know how there's holes down here for
Yes.
the
Oh, okay.
things?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard someone put like just Amazon boxes and then carpet on top, and that helped a lot because that was getting really annoying. I don't know, that's it. I have a weapon just in case. Oh, I got a toilet in here too.
Oh, let's see the toilet.
Yeah, this is a toilet.
That's crazy. What is this?
I felt like it was the smallest compact toilet.
Oh my God.
I haven't used it, don't worry, it's clean. And yeah,
Just in case.
it came with poopy bags. And you could use it as storage or like, sometimes I use it as like an extra chair or table. But it folds down so small.
That's
And then
cool.
it fits here in between the rinse kit. And then this is the rinse kit. You just push the button. You could charge your phone and stuff on here too.
That's rad.
Cool.
Awesome,
Yes.
Katie. Thank you so much for showing us your build.
Thank you for asking.
Where again can we find you at?
Yes, I have a filmmaking channel where I review camera gear and lighting and stuff like that at Atola Visuals, and I also just started my new personal channel called Life by Kitty. So maybe camping videos there, who knows?
Definitely, and Honda Element videos, that's what we want to see.
Yeah, Element videos for sure, camping videos.
Awesome, well thank you again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and Kitty's channels.
Yeah, subscribe, like, comment,
That's
all
right.
the things.
And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Done.